Glassy water is perhaps the most deceptive condition that a seaplane pilot will experience. The calmness of the water has a psychological effect in that it tends to overly relax the pilot when there should be special alertness. Consequently, this surface condition is frequently the most dangerous for seaplane operation. From above, the mirror-like appearance of smooth water looks most inviting and easy to land on, but as many pilots have suddenly learned, adequate depth perception may be lacking. Even experienced pilots misjudge height above the water, making timely roundouts difficult. One technique to assist in judging the height is to make the approach and landing near the shoreline so that it can be used as a reference for judging height above the water. Another method is to cross the shoreline on final approach at the lowest possible safe altitude so that a height reference is maintained to within a few feet of the water's surface. Using this technique, you must cross this last visual reference, or LVR, with your speed, altitude, and descent under control and as desired. Failing to arrive in your LVR box in a stabilized manner may necessitate a go-around. During the final approach, fly the seaplane at the best nose-high attitude, using flaps as required or as recommended by the manufacturer. Establish a power setting and pitch attitude that will result in a rate of descent not to exceed 150 feet per minute and at an airspeed approximately 10 knots above stall speed. Upon touchdown, apply back elevator control pressure as necessary to maintain the same pitch attitude. Reduce or close the throttle only after you are sure that the aircraft is firmly on the water. Cues for this include the feeling of a slight deceleration force, the observance of a slight downward pitching moment, and the sounds of water spray striking the floats or other parts of the aircraft. Bear in mind that this type of approach and landing will usually consume considerable landing distance.